In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a health bar as well as a stamina bar. So from our previous tutorial, we created two buttons, move left and right, to be able to control our character. Now let's go ahead over and add a progress bar. So this is our progress bar. It's currently at 0%, so we head over to the right at value. Let's create a 50%. This marks it at 50%. Let's set it as a child of our sprite. Okay, so let's create a button which allows us to control the amount of damage that our character is gonna take. This is our HP bar. Let's go add a text. So there's a text we key in HP to show that this is a HP bar. And let's go create a button. So this button will damage the player whenever it's clicked, and it'll call and trigger the HP progress bar, which will cause it to reduce in value. So let's connect it. Go over to node, on pressed, connect it to a sprite, rename it to damage player pressed. Connect it. This creates a function for us. And let's connect it to our progress bar. So do a $sign and type in progress bar to access the values of our child. You type in value, and let's minus 5 HP. Okay, let's try it out. Press F5. And as you can see, it damages our player by 5 damage per time until it runs out. And that's how you do a HP bar. Let's do a stamina bar, which will reduce in value and consistently increase back every second. So again, we go to sprite, we add another progress bar. Drag it over here, change it to 100%, and let's add its own script to it. So we're going to create a function which allows the stamina bar to regenerate 1 stamina per second. So on ready, on process, if so what this shows is that the value will increase by 1 every single second. So 1 delta is 1 second. Let's save it. Let's go edit our script again so that when the player gets damaged, its stamina bar will decrease as well. Progress bar 2, which is our stamina, value minus 10 stamina. Let's save it and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, your stamina bar is increasing by 1 stamina per second. Let's try again multiple times, and it regenerates whatever value you set it. So let's go tidy things up. Stamina bar. stamina. So there you have it. Have our player. He can move left and right, and he can take damage. So there's also another option for the progress bar. If you wanted to have a color, you can use another node, which is texture progress. So what this does is that it allows you to create a color for your progress bar. So what you have to do is to ensure that 9 patch stretch is on. This will cause the color inside of the bar to fill up. Go to texture, this is progress bar, and you have to click mesh texture. Go to progress, change it to red, and set it to a value you want, 50. So this will allow you to create a colored progress bar, which is much more favorable. It looks nicer. So let's replace this with the progress bar. Let's edit our script. Texture progress. Copy and paste. And let's add the stamina bar as well. You can delete this. Replace it with this, and we do the same for this. Add texture progress. Again, same thing. 9 pitch stretches on. Progress. It has to be mesh. All the other textures are not what you want. Mesh. Tint. Let's make it green. And let's set it at a value of 100. You can adjust the shape however you want. Attach. Copy this. Save it. Move this to here and delete this. And there you go. Let's give it a try. And yep. Alright, that concludes our tutorial on how to create a stamina bar as well as a HP bar for your character. If you have any comments, please post them below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you so much.